Hello, this is Adi. Welcome to Shafatik channel. Today I'm gonna to show you how to create property in Google Analytics 4. Firstly, from a Google Analytics site, you you will go to admin section, admin option, then click create, then property, then here is your property name. And here is your reporting time zone, country, currency, and next uh, your industry, beauty and fitness, business size, next your business objectives, and create. Choose a platform. This is a website. Here is your website URL. Copy and remove the HTTP. Here is your website name. Okay, then create a stream. This is your stream measurement ID, stream ID. Okay, then next, from here, you can see the your property Shako web. Okay, thank you.